Hello everyone, this is Dr. Harjot Kaur. As the new year sets in, we all begin the new year with New Year resolutions. And as per the statistics, one of the highest resolutions taken by people on the new year is the resolution to lose weight. However, unfortunately, they lose the motivation instead. So what I have seen in the last couple of years is that the resolutions fizzle out as soon as they're taken, and especially when it comes about losing weight. So the 5 major mistakes which I have observed in my practice, the first one is setting unrealistic targets. The second, what I believe, is being too harsh on your body. The third one, doing too many things at the same time. The fourth one is not marking the psychological factors. And last but not the least is not considering pathological aspects of an individual. So now, as I discuss the 5 major mistakes we all do while taking up weight loss resolution, let's understand them in depth. So like the first one that I discussed was setting up unrealistic targets. Weight loss is not a single day transition. It's a gradual process. Now sometimes when we keep our expectations really high and we keep the targets really strong, we end up adapting vicious ways. We get too hard with the body, and that's where we start losing motivation instead of weight. So the first thing is, please keep targets very realistic. The second mistake that we do is being too harsh on your body. Fad diets are certainly not the need of the hour. The biggest mistake that we do these days is to relate obesity only to diet, wherein food may be the major reason, but it is not the sole cause of obesity. Without good nutrition, your body is more prone to nutritive deficiencies, mood swings, and fatigue. So, in the desire to lose weight, adapting to fad diets sometimes comes with its own repercussions. The third mistake that we do is doing too many things at the same time. In the zest to lose weight, sometimes we start doing many things at the same time, which rather than proving beneficial, they may leave the body tired and exhausted. Take up one activity at a time of your choice and be consistent with it. The fourth mistake that we all make is not marking the psychological factors. Modernization has come with its own cost. Obesity is one of those manifestations. Treat physical and talk psychological is the first step. And the last one is ignoring pathological factors. Certain disorders, they are known to increase body fat percentage because they also lower down the metabolism. So it is very, very imperative to screen the reason and rule out the underlying pathologies. The success of weight loss at The Inspiration has been the approach that we adapt. We assess all the aspects of an individual and then we make a roadmap, which is very, very personalized. So while this year you all embark on the journey of weight loss, please remember avoiding these 5 mistakes which I have discussed here. One thing in the end which I would want to emphasize is that we all have very unique physiology and we all can definitely fix up some meager inconsistencies, but the key factor is to be in love with your body. Thank you so much everyone. I shall connect with you very soon with my next video.